Now we're in a version of a Prado here, so this will be 09 to 2013. Now the VX looks exactly like the GXL. There's just a few different things that different. It actually has the factory amplified system, and it runs a CANBUS system. So we have to actually use a slightly different harness. So that's why you've got to make sure you choose the right one when you actually choose a kit. You're gonna have a CANBUS in it. Your harness will look like this. And I'll go through and I'll plug these in, but the plugs will match up as they should, and then we'll go from there. So if you have been watching our other GXL video, it's almost the same. This plug goes here, this plug goes to here, these ones match up, this goes to here. FM/AM antenna is a bit different. Now you've got a few plugs left over. You've got these two, then are sort of actually used, so I'll worry about that. This here is for our USB rocker, that one down there, so that's fine. That's part of our thing. And then down here, we'll just check what happens, but your trip computer, our little extra harness we include, will be the same as the other video. So that plugs in, and the first camera out goes to our purple cam in wire. And I'm just not sure if we have to trigger off here, off the CANBUS. I'll tell you that in a second. So in our harness, you're not using like this one. All the other ones are plugged in, and we'll go from there. So just powered that up, and we had sound, so that's what we're actually missing. The steering wheel controls are still done manually, so turn our unit on, sort of go into settings, and then down to steering wheel controls, and then you push the button on it, and you'll push this to learn. I'll show you in a second. The trigger does not exist, so we don't get the trigger from the CANBUS. So that means we need to find our reverse trigger, which is our orange and black wire, this one here. It's actually hanging loose still. And that is going to connect to these two blue ones here, and that'll give us our trigger. And we did have our camera working, so our cameras are working fine from down here. So that's basically it. We'll go through and hook it all up. So that's all done now. Everything's working. The steering wheel controls just need to come into here, settings, car infotainment, steering wheel controls here. Then you choose a button on here, so I'll choose the other microphone, and it'll start to flash, and then I'll push the other microphone over here. So obviously you got 1, 2, 3, and these ones, they all work. So I'll push them up, do it again, push the microphone, and you see it goes solid green. So that's all learned now. So you can see steering wheel controls are working, we got sound working, got our reverse camera working, and we're all looking good and good to go. Now the only thing on this one, we include this extra black light hazard. It isn't perfect. You can try and fit the factory one in there, but it gets a bit jammed and it has to be upside down. So that's just one of the things to note on the VX as well.